guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best home security products. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the home security products in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best home security products on the market right now. Coming at number 10, we've got the Panasonic KXHN6003W Smart Home Monitoring System. The Panasonic Smart Home Monitoring and Control Kit offers a comprehensive solution for home security that prioritizes both sensors and cameras. The kit includes an indoor monitoring camera, a built-in microphone for two-way communication, and an infrared sensor that can detect movement. Additionally, it comes with an extra motion sensor for monitoring the entire home and twin window door sensors that alert you when someone enters your home with or without permission. The kit also includes a bonus smart plug, allowing you to schedule and control lights, fans, heaters, and other devices. The only downside is that it doesn't work with third-party devices, so make sure it meets your needs before making a commitment. Number 9. Adt Security System Kit. The Adt Starter Kit is an ideal option for those who want to secure both large and small spaces. The kit comes with 6 contact sensors and supports up to 50 cameras. It runs on Blue by Adt, which is a platform that supports a variety of devices including doorbells and cameras. The kit is designed to get you started with your home security system, allowing you to add more devices as needed. The Home Hub includes a keypad and 6 contact sensors for doors and windows. Additionally, you can deter potential intruders with an Adt yard sign and security window stickers. The Adt Starter Kit is a basic but flexible solution that can be expanded over time as your security needs change. Coming at number 8, G Personal Security Window and Door Alarm. The G Wireless Entry Sensor Set is a great option for those looking to create a DIY security system for their apartment. The set includes 4 wireless sensors that emit a 120 decibel chime or alarm when a door or window is opened, allowing you to be immediately alerted to any potential intrusions. The sensors are easy to install without causing any damage, as they come with double-sided tape and do not require any wiring or screws. Each sensor is powered by a long-lasting LR44 button battery, which are included. Additionally, a low battery indicator on each sensor will let you know when it's time for a replacement. Overall, the G Wireless Entry Sensor Set is a simple, affordable, and effective solution for securing your apartment. Coming at number 7, Brinks 675-83001 Heavy-Duty Dual-Function Door Security Bar. The Heavy-Duty Dual-Function Security Bar is an excellent option for those who want to add an extra layer of security to their sliding glass doors. It fits between 27 inches and 44.5 inches spaces with dozens of adjustable positions. This low-tech security bar can also be used to prevent forced entry through regular hinged doors when placed beneath the doorknob. It is easy to install and remove, making it a great addition to an existing security system. So if you are looking for a more comprehensive, smart home security system with professional monitoring, Brinks Home Security can provide you with a custom package. Number 6. eufy Security Solo IndoorCam C24. The eufy WiFi security camera is a versatile and powerful home security solution. The freestanding, plug-in camera offers 2 Kelvin video clarity, advanced night vision, and two-way audio, allowing you to communicate with anyone who passes by your home. You can set activity zones to receive alerts for specific activity and not be bombarded with unnecessary notifications. Unlike other home security camera companies, eufy's products are designed with privacy in mind. Your security data is kept private and you can feel safe using this camera to monitor your kids. The camera is a standalone product that connects to your home WiFi network and does not require any other eufy security products to work. You can even set up a DIY camera system with multiple cameras. Coming in at number the 5th of August Smart Lock Plus Connect WiFi Bridge. The August Smart Lock is a great option for renters looking to add a smart lock to their apartment. This lock is designed to fit over your existing deadbolt on the inside of the door only, which allows you and your landlord access from outside with the original keys, making it compliant with most apartment complex rules. It is always recommended to check with your landlord before installing any smart lock. With this lock, you can lock or unlock your door via the August app on your phone or Apple Watch, a voice assistant like Alexa or Google Assistant, or set it to automatically unlock when you get close. Additionally, you can share virtual keys with friends, dog walkers, or housekeepers for added convenience. Coming at number 4, blurams Indoor Security Baby Monitor Camera. Vivint offers a top-of-the-line home security system that is perfect for those with a smart home. It is fully customizable and compatible with most third-party devices. The system also features some of the most technologically advanced outdoor security cameras on the market, equipped with night vision and the ability to spot intruders up to 55 feet away. However, the system does come with a higher price tag. The Premium Plus package has an upfront equipment fee of $2,400, but it can be financed over 60 installments at $40 per month. Plus, there is a monthly monitoring charge of $66, which includes professional installation. If budget is a concern, Vivint also offers other packages starting at $56 per month for equipment and monitoring. Number 3, Ring Alarm 5-Piece Kit. Ring offers a customizable home security system that can be tailored to your specific needs, from a 5-piece base kit to comprehensive surveillance. The starter kit includes a base station, keypad, entry sensor, Z-Wave range extender, and motion sensor, but additional components such as a panic button or climate sensor can be added to detect smoke, water, or temperature threats. The alarm security kit is designed to be easy to set up and use with a DIY installation that does not require any wiring or tools. Simply plug in the base station, place the adhesive sensors where desired, and download the compatible Ring app. Plus, you can use the keypad or app to call for help or set the alarm. Subscribing to Ring Protect Pro for $20 per month will give you access to 24/7 professional monitoring that will call you with alerts when sensors are triggered. If you don't provide the safe word, it will dispatch police. Coming at number 2, Arlo Pro 3 Spotlight Camera. The Arlo Pro 3 Smart Home Security System is a high-end option specifically designed for those who are just starting to build their security system. The system only includes security cameras and doesn't come with extra sensors. It boasts excellent video quality, night vision, and the ability to zoom in for a closer look. The system also includes a built-in siren alarm that can be activated manually from your smartphone. The latest model also features an integrated spotlight which can deter unwanted visitors and aid in video capture. What's more, it can also be integrated with Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple HomeKit for added convenience. Number 1, Canary Pro Indoor Home Security Camera. The Canary Pro Indoor Home Security Camera is an all-in-one solution for those who want a home security system without the hassle of mounting multiple devices. The hub includes a siren, two-way audio, security camera, motion detector, and climate monitor in one sleek design. The camera captures 1080p HD video with a 147-degree field of view, night vision, and a 90 dB siren that alerts you to any unusual activity at any time of day. You can access the camera feed via your phone, and the premium service includes 24/7 live viewing, 30-day video history, and a personal safety button. One of the best features of the Canary Pro is its ability to blend into the home, making it less likely to tip off burglars. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best home security products. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.